The Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and mop of 35 from the Roborock store is a powerful cleaning device designed for thorough home maintenance. Featuring an 8,000 Pa hyperforce suction and upgraded from the Qrevos, it combines vacuuming and mopping with smart technology to deliver efficient and convenient cleaning. Its sleek black design integrates advanced features for a superior user experience. This model includes an all-in-one docking station that empties dust into a sealed 2.7-liter bag and refills water for up to 3,552 square feet of coverage. It also washes and dries the mopping pads automatically. The vacuum is equipped with a tangle-free brush system certified to prevent hair wrap, ideal for pet owners. Reactive touch obstacle avoidance and precisense litter navigation ensure precise cleaning paths, while dual 200 spinning mops with adjustable water levels and a 10 lift adapt to various floor types, including low-pile carpets. The Roborock app offers customizable cleaning routes, scheduling, and voice control compatibility, operating on 2.4 Wi-Fi. Ideal for busy households seeking hands-free floor care, the 35 delivers deep cleaning with minimal maintenance. Its smart features and powerful suction make it suitable for homes with pets and multiple floor types. This robot vacuum and mop offers an efficient, user-friendly solution to keep your floors spotless.